Ladies and gentlemen, let me ask you a powerful question. What if the secret to renewed masculine strength, confidence, and vitality was not hidden in an expensive pill, a dangerous chemical, or a risky treatment, but sitting quietly in your kitchen right now? Yes, something so simple, so natural, that most people overlook it every single day. For millions of men, age brings an uncomfortable change. Energy fades, confidence weakens, intimacy becomes uncertain. What once felt effortless begins to feel difficult. And the worst part? Many believe this decline is inevitable, but science tells us something very different. The truth is that one of the biggest reasons men lose firmness and stamina with age is not getting old. The real problem is poor blood circulation. The male body relies on strong, healthy blood flow. When circulation weakens, performance weakens. But when blood vessels open, oxygen increases, and nitric oxide rises in the body, the difference can be dramatic. And this is where a simple, natural combination enters the story: beets and lemon. Two humble ingredients that together create a powerful support for circulation, heart health, and vitality. Beets are one of the richest natural sources of dietary nitrates. Inside the body, these nitrates convert into nitric oxide, a molecule that relaxes blood vessels and improves circulation throughout the body. This same mechanism is what many pharmaceutical solutions attempt to replicate, but nature already designed it. When circulation improves, oxygen reaches tissues more efficiently, energy levels rise, endurance improves, and many men experience stronger physical responsiveness because the body finally receives the blood flow it needs. Now add fresh lemon. Lemon is packed with vitamin C and powerful antioxidants that protect blood vessels from damage and support the elasticity of arteries. It also helps the body absorb nutrients more effectively while supporting cardiovascular health. Together, beets and lemon form a natural combination that supports the systems responsible for energy, circulation, and vitality. And the preparation is incredibly simple. Take one medium fresh beet, wash it thoroughly and grate or blend it. Add the juice of half a fresh lemon, mix it with a small glass of water. Stir well. 3 minutes, that's it. Drink it once a day, preferably in the morning or a few hours before evening relaxation. Over time, many people notice improved energy, better circulation, and greater confidence in their physical vitality. But remember something important. This is not magic, it is biology. Your body is designed to respond to nourishment. When you give it the right nutrients, it repairs, restores, and strengthens itself in ways that may surprise you. Vitality does not belong only to youth. Strength does not disappear with age. Confidence is not reserved for the young. The human body can remain powerful, responsive, and energetic far longer than most people believe when it receives the right support. So here is the challenge for you. Don't wait for decline. Don't accept weakness as normal. And don't surrender your vitality to age. Go to your kitchen, take a beet, take a lemon, give your body the fuel it deserves. Start today, stay consistent, and take back the energy, strength, and confidence that every man deserves to carry through every stage of life. What if the real reason many men begin to notice weaker performance, reduced firmness, or shorter endurance is not age at all, but something happening silently inside the body every single day? Most people immediately blame hormones, stress, or the passing of time. But research in sexual health repeatedly points to a deeper biological foundation that often goes unnoticed: blood circulation. The male body depends on a powerful and efficient vascular system to function properly during intimacy. When a man becomes aroused, the body must rapidly increase blood flow to specific tissues. This process requires arteries that are flexible, open, and capable of delivering a strong supply of oxygen-rich blood. If circulation is strong, the response is strong. If circulation is weak, the response becomes weaker as well. Here's the surprising part that many men never realize. The blood vessels involved in male performance are extremely small and delicate compared to other arteries in the body. Because of this, they are often the first place where circulation problems appear. Long before someone experiences serious heart symptoms, the body may already be sending subtle warning signs through changes in sexual performance. Imagine the circulatory system as a network of highways delivering nutrients and oxygen throughout the body. When those highways are clear and wide, traffic moves quickly and smoothly. But when plaque, inflammation, or stiffness begins to narrow the roads, blood struggles to pass through with the same force and efficiency. The result can be slower response, reduced firmness, and decreased stamina. Now ask yourself something important. What happens to circulation over time when a person sits too much, eats heavily processed foods, sleeps poorly, and rarely exercises? Blood vessels gradually lose flexibility, oxygen delivery weakens, and tissues receive less nourishment than they once did. That is why experts in men's health emphasize cardiovascular wellness as a critical factor in maintaining confidence, vitality, and physical responsiveness. When circulation improves, the body often responds in ways that many men find surprisingly powerful. What if a tiny invisible molecule inside your body could determine the difference between weak performance and powerful responsiveness? Most people have never heard about it, yet this single compound plays one of the most important roles in male sexual function. Its name is nitric oxide, and it acts like a natural signal that tells blood vessels when to relax, expand, and allow stronger circulation. The moment intimacy begins, the body releases nitric oxide inside the blood vessel walls. This signal triggers the muscles surrounding the arteries to loosen and widen, creating more space for blood to flow quickly into sensitive tissues. The stronger this signal, the more efficient the blood flow becomes. And here is the fascinating part that many people overlook. The body cannot simply produce unlimited nitric oxide without the right raw materials. It relies on specific nutrients and compounds that come primarily from food. One of the most important of these compounds is natural dietary nitrate. When nitrate-rich foods enter the body, they begin a remarkable biological journey. First, they are absorbed through digestion. Then they are converted into nitrites and eventually into nitric oxide through a series of metabolic reactions. This transformation allows the body to naturally support blood vessel relaxation and circulation efficiency. Imagine nitric oxide as the key that unlocks tight blood vessels, allowing them to open like flexible tubes instead of rigid pipes. When that key is available in healthy amounts, circulation improves not only in the heart and muscles, but also in the delicate vascular tissues responsible for male responsiveness. But when nitric oxide production declines because of poor diet, lack of physical activity, aging, or vascular damage, blood vessels lose their ability to expand effectively. The signal becomes weaker, circulation slows down, and performance may begin to change. This is why modern medical research focuses so heavily on mechanisms that increase nitric oxide availability inside the body. Many pharmaceutical approaches attempt to enhance this same biological pathway, but the body already possesses a natural system designed to support it through proper nutrition, healthy lifestyle habits, and foods that nourish the vascular system. What if one of the most powerful foods for improving circulation and supporting male vitality has been sitting quietly in grocery stores all along, overlooked by most people simply because it looks ordinary? The deep red vegetable known as the beet has gained enormous attention in nutritional science for its remarkable effects on blood flow and cardiovascular performance. Athletes use it to improve endurance. Heart specialists study it for vascular health, and experts in men's wellness often highlight its potential role in supporting natural circulation, the same circulation that plays a critical role in physical responsiveness. The secret lies in the unique compounds found inside this root vegetable. Beets are one of the richest natural sources of dietary nitrates, substances that the body converts into nitric oxide through a fascinating biological process. Once inside the bloodstream, nitric oxide sends signals to the smooth muscles surrounding blood vessels, encouraging them to relax and expand. When this happens, arteries become wider, circulation becomes stronger, and oxygen-rich blood travels more efficiently through the body. Now imagine what that means for tissues that rely heavily on rapid blood flow during moments of intimacy. When blood vessels are able to expand easily, the body can respond more quickly and more powerfully. But the benefits of beets do not stop with nitrates alone. This vibrant vegetable is also rich in antioxidants, particularly betalains, which give beets their intense red color. These antioxidants help protect blood vessel walls from oxidative stress, a process that can gradually damage arteries and reduce their flexibility. Beets also contain potassium, an essential mineral that helps regulate blood pressure and maintain proper muscle and nerve function throughout the cardiovascular system. Even the natural fiber in beets contributes to overall health by supporting digestion and helping regulate cholesterol levels, both of which indirectly influence vascular wellness. When a food provides multiple layers of support, improving circulation, protecting arteries, and nourishing the cardiovascular system, it becomes more than just a vegetable on a plate. It becomes a powerful nutritional ally in maintaining long-term vitality and physical performance. What if a single bright citrus fruit could quietly protect the very blood vessels responsible for strength, stamina, and responsiveness? Many people think of lemon only as a flavoring for water or a garnish on food, yet behind its sharp taste lies a remarkable nutritional profile that supports some of the most important systems in the human body. In the world of sexual health education, maintaining strong and flexible blood vessels is essential because the ability of arteries to expand and contract directly affects how efficiently blood can reach sensitive tissues. When those vessels become stiff, inflamed, or damaged over time, circulation begins to suffer. And when circulation weakens, the body's natural responsiveness may also decline. This is where lemon plays a surprisingly powerful role. Lemon is one of the richest natural sources of vitamin C, a nutrient that acts as a guardian of the vascular system. Vitamin C helps the body produce collagen, the structural protein that keeps blood vessel walls strong and elastic. Without enough of it, arteries can gradually lose their flexibility and resilience. When vessels remain elastic, however, they can widen more easily when the body signals for increased blood flow. That flexibility is a key factor in maintaining efficient circulation. But lemon does more than provide vitamin C. It also contains a wide range of plant antioxidants, including flavonoids that help combat oxidative stress. Oxidative stress occurs when harmful molecules called free radicals begin damaging cells, including the delicate lining of blood vessels known as the endothelium. When the endothelium becomes damaged, arteries struggle to expand properly and circulation becomes less efficient. The antioxidants found in lemon help neutralize these damaging molecules, protecting the vascular system from long-term wear and tear. In addition, lemon supports metabolic processes that influence hydration, digestion, and nutrient absorption. When the body absorbs nutrients more efficiently, it can better support the systems responsible for energy production and circulation. Even the natural acidity of lemon plays a role in stimulating digestive enzymes, helping the body break down food more effectively so that vitamins and minerals reach the bloodstream where they are needed most. Over time, these combined effects contribute to healthier arteries, improved circulation, and stronger support for the body's natural vitality. What if the biggest factor influencing male vitality is not a single food, supplement, or quick solution, but the daily habits repeated quietly for years? Many people search for instant fixes when they notice a decline in energy or performance, yet the human body responds most powerfully to consistent lifestyle patterns. Sexual health experts often emphasize that the same habits that protect the heart and circulatory system are the habits that protect long-term male vitality. Everything begins with movement. The human body was designed to move frequently, yet modern life often traps people in chairs for hours every day. Long periods of sitting slow blood circulation, reduce oxygen delivery, and gradually weaken the flexibility of blood vessels. Regular physical activity reverses this process by stimulating circulation throughout the body. Even moderate exercise, such as brisk walking, cycling, or light strength training, helps the heart pump more efficiently and encourages arteries to remain flexible. When blood flows more freely, tissues receive the oxygen and nutrients they need to function at their best. But movement is only one piece of the puzzle. Sleep is another powerful but often ignored factor. During deep sleep, the body enters a restorative state where hormones are balanced, tissues repair themselves, and the nervous system resets. Men who consistently sleep too little may experience increased stress hormones and reduced hormonal balance, both of which can influence energy levels and physical responsiveness. Stress itself is another hidden obstacle. Chronic stress triggers the release of cortisol and adrenaline, chemicals that prepare the body for short-term survival situations. When these chemicals remain elevated for long periods, they can narrow blood vessels, disrupt hormone production, and reduce the body's ability to relax during moments of intimacy. Nutrition also shapes long-term vascular health. Diets high in processed foods, excessive sugar, and unhealthy fats can slowly damage arteries and reduce circulation. In contrast, diets rich in vegetables, fruits, healthy fats, and whole foods nourish the cardiovascular system and help maintain strong blood flow. Smoking and excessive alcohol consumption further compound the problem by damaging blood vessel walls and interfering with the body's natural regulatory systems. Over time, these habits can gradually weaken circulation and vitality in ways many people do not immediately notice. Understanding how daily routines influence the body empowers individuals to make small but powerful adjustments that support energy, circulation, and long-term physical wellness. What if the true secret to lasting male vitality is not found in a quick remedy, but in the quiet power of consistency practiced day after day? Many people hope for immediate transformation, yet the human body operates according to biological rhythms that respond gradually to repeated habits. Sexual health experts often emphasize that the body is constantly adapting to the environment it is given. Every meal, every night of sleep, every moment of physical activity sends signals that either strengthen or weaken the systems responsible for circulation, energy, and hormonal balance. Over time, these signals accumulate and shape how the body performs. One of the most important lessons in sexual health education is that small daily decisions create powerful long-term effects. A single healthy meal may not change the body overnight, but months or years of balanced nutrition can dramatically improve cardiovascular health. The same principle applies to movement. One short walk may feel insignificant, yet regular activity keeps blood vessels flexible, improves oxygen delivery, and strengthens the heart's ability to circulate blood efficiently. Gradually, these improvements influence stamina, confidence, and overall physical responsiveness. Awareness also plays a critical role. Many men ignore early signs of declining circulation or energy because they assume such changes are simply part of aging. But the body often provides early warning signals long before serious medical conditions develop. Changes in endurance, reduced vitality, or difficulty maintaining responsiveness can sometimes indicate underlying health issues such as cardiovascular strain, metabolic imbalance, or hormonal disruption. Recognizing these signals allows individuals to take proactive steps toward improving their health through better lifestyle habits and professional guidance when necessary. Education empowers people to understand the strong connection between overall wellness and sexual vitality. The cardiovascular system, the nervous system, hormonal balance, and metabolic health all work together as a single network that supports physical performance and energy. When this network receives proper nourishment, movement, rest, and medical attention when needed, the body often demonstrates an impressive ability to maintain strength and vitality even as the years pass.